The Vypr insights were absolutely critical in helping us strengthen our pitch. The one challenge we had was really overcoming the question, were we too niche? And it demonstrated that we weren't, and we were the perfect fit for Lords. BrewDog is a beer business that was founded 18 years ago in the northeast of Scotland. We have over 100 bars all over the UK and internationally, and a wider range of beers that appeals to every single taste. BrewDog was founded 18 years ago with a kind of mission to make everyone as passionate about beer as we are. And we've been on a mission to kind of make the best quality beer for all different sorts of styles. So whether you like lagers, ales, sort of imperial stouts, we've got a really high quality beer to suit all different tastes. BrewDog have dominated the craft beer market, and we now want to appeal to every kind of beer drinker with the best quality beer in that category. Lords contacted us about the opportunity to bid for pouring rights, and we were massively excited about the opportunity. It's a fantastic opportunity for us to reach a whole new consumer and have them tasting our beers in a phenomenal environment. One of the challenges we faced with pitching to Lords was the potential perception that we were a bit too niche and mainstream. So we used Vypr to segment and identify an audience that went to Lords, and then we asked them lots of questions about BrewDog to see if there was that connection and if it resonated, and we got fantastic results that ultimately led us to land the pitch. There was nothing overly surprising in the data, but we were delighted by how overwhelmingly positive it was and how strong a connection there was between Lords and a BrewDog audience. And we ultimately used the data not just for the pitch, but to refine our marketing strategies. When reviewing the data, we had both multi-option and free text data to define the strategy. The multi-data gave us really good sort of percentages and insights we could use. And the free text option really allowed us to see what brands consumers had an emotional connection with, and we become part of the pitch. BrewDog winning the Lords tender just demonstrates that the beer drinking landscape is evolving. Consumers aren't necessarily just a lager drinker, just a craft beer drinker. Everyone really drinks across category, and that's where we can really win as a brand. As well as the Lords pitch, we use Vypr on a day-to-day basis to really help us make decisions faster, be it copy lines, packaging changes, partnerships we should enter. It's really baked into our day-to-day. Another way we've been working with Vypr is developing our customer segmentation. We've got 5 different customer segments we talk to, and we've been able to build that within the Vypr platform so we can ask those consumer groups different questions and really understand preferences. We will keep using Vypr to shape our campaigns, to sort of explore new opportunities, be it sport, music, entertainment, and ultimately it helps us get closer to our customer and make sure we can deliver them more great beers every day. Lords is our first big win and has opened up so many opportunities for us, and we're now having multiple other conversations with different sporting arenas, which is really exciting, and we couldn't have done that without Vypr.